You come closer. You come closer. Yeah. Sit together. हाँ.
And positive.
हाँ.
And safety.
अभी ठीक है.
She'll be running on Indian roads.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and thank you very much for coming on a early Sunday, Wednesday morning, and being here on a very inspirational event, which is to help Michelle start her record attempt to cover 6,010 kilometers, running the Golden Quadrilateral route all over India. As many of you know, the Golden Quadrilateral route was one of the star achievements of the previous NDA government. Vajpayee ji was the visionary, and it is truly a tribute and a landmark in our country. It is equal to the Gateway of India or the India Gate or the Taj Mahal, that it is something that is actually functional and helps the country's economy. On our website, we got an entire page about why she is running the Golden Quadrilateral. Please go and visit it. As an economic tool of infrastructure, the India government has given us a gift that is going to give us in perpetuity. And today what Michelle is trying to do is she's trying to start on a journey, an odyssey that is going to conquer and cover this entire Golden Quadrilateral, which is really a tribute to the nation and to the previous NDA government. And we are very happy that Honorable Minister Pankaj Munde is here with us today to flag off as a representative of the India government and honor Michelle, honor all of us with her presence. So with a very few words, I would like Anil Singh, Vivek Singh, thank you very much for coming here, Vivek of ProCam. He will say a few words and then we'll hand it over to the Minister.
Thank you, Venkat. Good morning. It's absolutely a privilege. We are humbled by what Michelle is about to do. We talk about stepping out of the comfort zone for all of us in life to grow, succeed. I think she stepped out of the entire planet as far as all of us are concerned. This is really something out of the world, what she's attempting. Now, we are truly humbled by it, and all we can say is God bless, God's grace, God's speed to Michelle.
Wow. I would like Michelle to say a few words. You know, आपको कैसा लग रहा है, etc. And then give it to the Minister.
सर आप उनकी टीम में हो.
Hello everyone. Michelle is little left with no words, with a lot of emotions, and I think words don't speak all the time. What she's doing is going to speak to the whole world, so I wish her all the best. Generally, this is a very different program from my general routine. This time is also a little weird, so I was wondering why 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning. And I was asking the coordinator who was talking to my staff, what is like, do I have to come in my track pants and all. I was very excited because when I read her Michelle's email, I was wondering what must have made her select this kind of mission in her life, because sometimes you don't have a reason. You are so passionate about something which is very out of the blue, it's something different than normal. And now she couldn't speak, but her actions will definitely speak. And she has dedicated, I think, this run to the womanhood, or betterment of womanhood. That's what I've gauged. So I wish her really all the best. And for me, running on the treadmill for 10 minutes is very difficult. So for her, I mean, I'm really, really admiring her strength. And she's already achieved some landmarks. I think she's achieved Limca record. She's thrice. So what I've heard, what I've read from her email, and I'm really, really touched and proud of her. And I like women with energy and with little eccentric ideas. So I'm worried about her. I was asking her, how will you run? Will there be a team who will supporting? One thing scares me the most, being lonely on the. So when you're running, you're alone. Maybe you will have supporting team, but you will be alone. So that is something, that is my fear. So whenever somebody does something like this or some adventure like this alone, I really feel very, very thrilled about it. I really wish her all the best. and wish her a lot of strength, lot of positivity, and lot of speed and safety, because she's running on though our Atal Bihari Vajpayee had this idea of making this quadrilateral, but roads are Indian and drivers are Indian. More than roads, drivers are Indian. Roads have no fault. So I wish her all the best, and please do take care of her safety, whoever is with her. All the best. I'm really proud of you. I'm really touched. Because of you, I could attend something like this where people are doing so much beyond our imagination. I'm really proud of you. Thank you so much.
I just want to thank all of you for coming here. Actually, I got emotional because, I mean, every one of you here, I know you've come here totally for me, and that shows like your love, your concern for me. And
One more person. All the best.
So, just before we flag off what we are going to do today, the minister will flag her off. We will go out from here and go to VT station, turn left at University, go via the High Court, go to VT station, because the Guinness Book record requires that every prominent landmark photograph has to be taken to coverage. So we thought that VT station is India's landmark, because that is where the Mumbai Marathon gets flagged off. So we thought that is the iconic structure that will take the photograph off. And then from there we'll go to Princess Street, Dobi Talao, Princess Street flyover, and we will run till Siddhi Vinayak. We'll go in for a darshan, whoever is there with us in that part of the journey. And we thought that we should start with the darshan of Siddhi Vinayak and have a light breakfast in a restaurant and then run till Malad. So today she is going to run 35 kilometers, starting from here up to Malad. And today's stage 1 will end at Malad. Whoever wants to join us for whatever distance is most welcome.
Really sweating with her.
Just listening to it. Huh?
35 minutes of walk is too much for us.
Ma'am, one message, because of what Michelle is doing for all the women of India, because she is trying to promote health and fitness for women and women empowerment, and women are key to India's growth and progress, and you are the helm of affairs. What is the one message you would like to give to this?
I don't have to give her any message. She is giving
No,
the
you
message to me.
and her to the women of India. What is the one message?
I will ask women of India to let live other women in India. That is the most important thing, because we have to we sometimes we go out of our way and grow out of our way, but we don't think of others who have not grown, and who are deprived. And there are many numbers who are deprived, who don't have this kind of opportunity what we have, but they really want to do a lot of things. There are people who don't let womanhood survive also. So I want her to take this message of saving girl child all over the nation. So that will be the best thing.
Everyone should come.